Durga Saptashati, the source of all creation, the reliever of all pain, she who vanquishes the evil. We bow to her, the invincible Shakti, Durga. When tyranny of Mahishasur reached a point of disaster, so much so that he propelled the gods to leave their celestial kingdom, Lord Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, along with other prime deities, emanated the streams of glory, and the Shakti was born. This Shakti, also revered as Durga, with her spear piercing Mahish to death and relieving the gods from distress. Shakti came into existence for the destruction of evil, and so she did in her invincible forms of Mahamaya and Chandi. Ferociously, she slaughtered the nasty demons like Madhukaintab, Raktabij and Shumbh Nishumbh. Mahamaya, the inscrutable form of Shakti, enshrines within her mystic powers. Durga Saptashati reveals them and explains in depth the karma or action, the bhakti or devotion, and the jnana or wisdom. It is believed that one who adheres to it is sheltered from all forms of negative energies that surround this universe. Uplifting our souls with the blessings of Shakti, it leads us to the path of moksha.
Shambhasya Dhumrakshasya Chamaydini द्विषो जहि।
स्तुवद्धो भक्तिपूर्वं त्वां चण्डिके व्याधिनाशिनि। स्तुवद्धो भक्तिपूर्वं त्वां चण्डिके व्याधिनाशिनि। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि।
रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि।
देहि सौभाग्यमारोग्यं देहि मे परमं सुखं। देहि सौभाग्यमारोग्यं देहि मे परमं सुखं। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि।
रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि।
विद्यावन्तं यशस्वन्तं लक्ष्मीवन्तं जनं कुरु। विद्यावन्तं यशस्वन्तं लक्ष्मीवन्तं जनं कुरु। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि।
रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो